Okay, in last class we have discussed about the resistance and resistivity. आज हम लोग जानेंगे कि what is the system of resistance. So the chapter what we are discussing, that is electricity. And today we will discuss about systems of resistors. So system of resistor we have to discuss. In system of resistor we will discuss about the combination of resistor. And in the combination of resistor we have to discuss two type of combination. One is series and other is the parallel combination. One by one we will discuss about these two. So let us start with the series combination. Series combination. Okay, before starting series combination, we should know some of the property of the series combination, and one of the most important property of the series combination is that the amount of current passing through each resistors that is in the combination is constant. For example, just see here, suppose that we have three resistors. And if it is connected with the cell, so in this situation the current will start to pass through them. So as soon as the circuit will be closed here, the key will be closed. So in that situation, if I amount of current is passing through this resistor, then the same amount of current will pass through this resistor and this resistor also. Suppose that these all are R1, R2 and R3. So the first property of the series combination is that the amount of current passing through each resistor, those who are in the series combination, they are equal. Now, the second one, the potential difference across each resistor will be different if the value of resistors will be different. And it will be same if the value of resistors will be same. Once again, so if the potential difference across this one is V1, across this one is V2, and across this one is V3, in that condition V1, V2 and V3 will be different if R1, R2 and R3 is different. V1, V2 and V3 will be different if R1, R2 and R3 will also be different. And if R1, R2 and R3, all these three are equal, in that condition V1 will be equal to the V2 and that will be equal to the V3. So now if V is the potential difference across the total combination, in that situation the series combination, the property of the series, in case of the series combination, the V is equal to, what is the total potential difference? It is equal to the sum of potential difference across the individual resistor. That is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So two property we have. One property, the first property that we have, that is in case of the series combination, the amount of current passing through each resistors are equal, and the potential difference what is applied across the total combination, it is equal to the sum of potential difference across the individual resistors, that is V1 plus V2 plus V3. If there will be 4, 5, 6, 7 resistors, then we will add there V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. Suppose that in this condition, if we have to find out the equivalent resistance, means the resistor that will work in the same manner when it will be attached in the circuit in place of all these. So suppose that we are just placing here with the dotted line, that is the equivalent resistor, what we are placing here. So it is in series combination, so we are just assuming it, that is RS. So obviously what will happen, अब ये रेसिस्टर तो है नहीं हमारे पास, तो द अमाउंट ऑफ करंट जो यहाँ से आएंगे हमारे, वो इसी से पास करेंगे, यानी जो आई अमाउंट इससे जाना था, अब वो आई अमाउंट कहाँ से जाएगा, इधर से जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर ना? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, इसके हिसाब से, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट व्हाट वी विल हैव, इसके हिसाब से हमारे पास अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओम्स लॉ, ओम्स लॉ तो हमारे पास है, उसके हिसाब से यानी करंट तो यहाँ से आ ही जा रहे हैं, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओम्स लॉ V is equal to, what is the V? Potential difference is here, that is equal to I R S for the equivalent. Similarly, if we will talk about, we are not talking about now this, we are talking about this resistor. So here we have R1, V1 and I. So again V1 will be equal to I R1 because current is same for all. Similarly V2 we will have I R2 and V3 we will have, that is I R3. So from this equation what we have here, suppose that this is equation 1. So from equation 1 what we have, V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So if we will put the value here, what we will have, for the V we have I R S because we have this value, V equal to I R S. Now for the V1 I have I R1. Similarly for V2 I R2 and for the V3 we have I R3. So when we will calculate it, I R S, we will take I common, here is R1 plus R2 plus R3. I and I cancel out, so RS is equal to R1 R2 plus R3. This is the equivalent resistance in case of series combination. Now just see, in case of series combination, what are the disadvantages there? One of the disadvantages is that if any one of the resistor will get damaged, कोई भी अगर एक इसमें से खराब हो जाए, हमने इसको ब्रेक कर दिया, तो other will not work. In that situation, other will not work. So they all are connected to the single switch. This is the one of the great problem in the series combination. जो सबसे बड़ी समस्या है, जो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. So in case of the series combination, all the devices are connected to with the single switch, and if anyone will get damaged, other will not work. Now we will discuss, and also another thing is what, the equivalent resistance increases as they are connected in series. So what we will have in that situation, the equivalent resistance यानी total resultant जो हमारा होगा, जो total effective resistance होगा, what is known as also the effective resistance, they will be increased. That will be the greatest one in compared to the all the resistor that is connected in circuit. जितने भी circuit में resistor हैं, उन सबसे ज़्यादा उसका value होगा. For example, it is 1, 2 and 3. तो जो resultant हमारा होगा वो 3 से भी बड़ा होगा. वैसे भी ऐड होगी 1 plus 2 plus 3 that is equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 6, तो वो हमारा सबसे बड़े वाले वैल्यू से भी सबसे बड़ा हो जाएगा. Now we will discuss about the parallel combination, what we have to discuss. So in case of the parallel combination, first of all, just see here, in case of parallel combination, if they are connected to the cell here across the V board, in case of parallel combination, what we have, that is R1, R2 and R3, they are connected in parallel. So the properties of the parallel combinations are, when they will be connected, when the switch will be on here, जब स्विच हम यहाँ पर की क्लोज कर देंगे. तो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द ईच रेसिस्टर्स आर कांस्टेंट. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जो होगा वो सेम होगा. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस ईच रेसिस्टर each resistors will be same, is same. The first. And the second, the amount of current that is passing through them, they will be different if the resistors will be different, and they will be same if the resistors will be same, in the same manner as in case of the series combination. जैसे सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में क्या इक्वल हो रहा था, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इक्वल हो रही थी कब, जब रेसिस्टेंस इक्वल था. इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि इसमें करंट इक्वल होगा कब, जब रेसिस्टर्स हमारा इक्वल होगा. इफ R1 R2 and R3 are equal, in that condition I1 I2 and I3 will be equal. And if R1 R2 and R3 are not equal, then I1 I2 and I3 will also be not equal. So suppose that the total current that is passing through it is I ampere. So here it will be divided here. Here is I1, here is I2 and here it is I3. Obviously divide कर जाएगी ये, जितने वायर्स होंगे उतने में डिवाइड कर जाएंगे हमारे. So the second property states that the total current what we have in the circuit, the total circuit, total current, that is equal to the current through individuals, the sum of current through individual resistors. Now, if we will apply here the equivalent resistor, suppose that we are applying here equivalent resistor in place of all these, इसको हम remove कर दिए और इसके जगह पर हमने एक equivalent resistor रखा. Let this is the RP, ये हमारा क्या है, RP. तो according to that, now this current will pass through it. यहाँ आ रही थी तब नहीं ये डिवाइड हो रही थी, ये तीनों तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो रहे थे, लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद क्या होगी, यही सेम करंट will pass through them. So according to the Ohm's law we have what we have, V equal to IR. So I is equal to what, V by R, and here R is what, that is V by RP. Now similarly we have I1. I1 is equal to what, हमारे लिए I1 क्या होगा, I1 is equal to that we have, that is equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2 and I3 is equal to V by R3. Is it clear? So according to that, ये जो है हमारे, इसके हिसाब से हमारे पास I1 is equal to V by R1, I2 equal to V by R2 and I3 is equal to V by R3 and I is equal to V by R. But we know that I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. ये हम जानते हैं, that we know that. So according to that, but we have I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So if we will put the value here, so I is equal to what, V by R. I1 is equal to what, V by R. I2 is equal to what, that is V by R. And I3 is equal to what, V by R. Is it clear? So according to that, V by RP we have, we will take the V common here. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 we have now. V and V cancel out. So what we will do here? It is 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this is the equivalent resistance in case of the parallel combination. So in case of the parallel combination, equivalent resistance minimize है, equivalent resistance कम हो जाते हैं. Equivalent resistance जो होती है, यानी effective resistance is the least one, जो सबसे कम होता है, यानी जितने इफेक्टिव हैं उनसे भी कम हो जाता है. यानी जो हम ये बात कर रहे थे, आपको ये समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इफ वी हैव द 3 रेसिस्टर्स, सपोज दैट 2 ohm, 6 ohm and 12 ohm. So in case of if they will be connected in parallel, अगर वो पैरेलल में कनेक्ट किए जाएंगे तो वैसे कंडीशन में जो सबसे लिस्ट है 2, उससे भी कम उसका वैल्यू हो जाएगा. That's why we are preferring parallel combination in case of हाउस सर्किटिंग, यानी कि हाउस वायरिंग में हम अपने हाउस यानी कि अपने घर में जो हम वायरिंग करते हैं उसमें पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन करते हैं। दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है, इन केस ऑफ द पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन इफ एनी वन ऑफ द रेसिस्टर विल गेट डैमेज, अगर एक ही काम करना बंद कर देगा तो दूसरा काम करेगा, इससे करंट जाएंगे, इससे करंट जाएंगे, या यही काम करना बंद कर देगा तो इससे करंट जाएंगे। बट इन केस ऑफ द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, एक अगर डैमेज होगा तो दूसरा काम नहीं करेगा। So in parallel combination, all the appliances have their own switches. They can be operate with their own switch. They have their different switch. They can be operated with the help of different switch. तो ये है सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन और ये है पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. सो टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द सिस्टम ऑफ रेसिस्टर. इन द system of resistor we have discussed about the series and parallel combination. In case of the series combination, when they are connected, the effective resistance increases, and when they are connected in parallel combination, the effective resistance decreases. So it's all for today class. In the next class we will discuss more. Thank you. Have a nice day.